Hey guys, Dawn here from Princess Mom's Travel Tips. A few months ago, in preparation for our Disney trip, we wanted to make a few dishes that are available at Disney World, and now that we're on lockdown, guess what? I had some time to finally finish the video. This is the cheddar cheese soup, available at the Canadian Pavilion at Epcot. So what you'll need for this recipe is bacon, butter, celery, red onion, flour, chicken stock, whole milk, and 1 pound of white cheddar cheese, salt and pepper, Tabasco sauce, Worcestershire sauce, I know I'm saying that wrong, and beer, because what would a Canadian recipe be without beer? First, cut up a ½ pound of bacon. Dice up 1 red onion, chop 3 stalks of celery, and grate 1 pound of white cheddar cheese. In a hot pan on high, sizzle that bacon. Add 4 tablespoons of butter and chopped celery and the diced onion, and cook down until the veggies are soft. Add a ½ cup of flour and coat the veggies. To that, you'll add 2 cups of chicken stock and stir until it almost looks like paste. You'll add 2 cups of whole milk or cream and stir. And turn down the heat to medium and continue to stir. Now what you're going to do is add the 1 pound of white cheddar cheese a little bit at a time and continue to stir. Add salt and pepper to taste. Do you guys like my fancy pepper shaker? Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I know I said that wrong, but the recipe is in the description. Add 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce. So my princess wanted to know what Tabasco tasted like. So being the great mom that I am, so apparently not so good? I don't know. Beer. Fancy camera work, eh? Added a cup of room temperature beer. Stir. And serve. I shared this soup with a few people, and all with great reviews. You need to try this, guys. Oh, Canada, it was good. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Princess Mom's Travel Tips. Thanks, guys. Happy magic making.